Today we are gonna ship a batch of 66-1 aluminum parts to a client from South Korea. Welcome to the Henrik CNC Precision Machining Factory in China. First thing first, we achieve micron level tolerance in CNC turning and machining. And then we laser mark on every single part according to the client's request. After that, we assemble the parts with screws and pins. Before shipment, part dimensions are inspected using CNC. Finally, the parts are packed with care and shipped out. Let me know if this is helpful for your project.